Now, Leslie McCormick of the Farwell Group, author of Bank on Yourself: Why Every Woman Should Plan to Be Financially Single, Even if She's Not, joins us. Good morning, Leslie.
Good morning, Marilyn.
What do you have for us today?
There are a couple of things happening financially today that are connected in many ways, but that each individually on their own are also significant threats to people's retirement. First of all, inflation, and second of all, market declines. I know I am not the only one who goes to pay for things these days, whether that is the grocery store, filling up the car, a meal at a restaurant, you name the product. And I find that the bills are quite a bit more than they were a year ago. That is inflation. How much the cost of living goes up every year. And we're seeing a lot more inflation today than we had grown accustomed to over the last many, many years. As the cost of living rises, the amount of income needed from portfolios increases. And as inflation is coming in higher than expectations, inflation is one of the biggest financial challenges that retirees face. Not only is inflation and inflation concerns causing difficulty for Canadians to maintain their standard of living, it's also leading to significant market turmoil, making the first half of 2022 one of the worst on record for global markets. And in the news, we're hearing the word recession with speculation about, are we about to enter one? We're being hit from two directions: costs going up and portfolio values declining. So what to do about it? This is the time to be checking in on two things. First of all, the reliability of your income. Markets go up and down, and just because you are retired doesn't mean that stops. But investing during your retirement years is different in that we do need different strategies focused on how to handle times just like this. We want to avoid selling at a bad time. Selling at a bad time compounds losses, and it makes it harder to recover. You've heard us talk about our risk-on and risk-off strategy. Well, we are shifting where we're taking income from today for clients. We're giving people's long-term portfolios time to recover, and we're now sending income from their risk-off assets that we had set aside specifically for times like these. This strategy is specifically focused on the long-term reliability of retirement income. Second of all, it's time to check in on your portfolio. Anytime markets behave this way, it's important to look forward. We've been through market turmoil before, and we recover and have historically always reached new highs. I don't see why this time would be any different. That said, it's time to reassess your portfolio. What's working, what isn't, and how it should be positioned looking forward to set yourself up for your portfolio to recover, grow, and continue providing a reliable income. Because how you were invested in the past may need to change in light of what's happened and expectations of future trends. This past week, we held our mid-year update, providing insight into what has happened, where we are now, some historical context, and our outlook moving forward, and how we're positioning our portfolios. If you're interested in getting that replay, please do reach out to us.
Thank you for your generous offer. Basically, we can get an email that talks about what's happening and gives us a fresh perspective. And if someone wants to talk to you about their portfolio or how they're going to be working their plans forward so that their money works for them, how do we reach you, Leslie?
You can reach us at 416-863-7501.
You can think forward and you don't have to worry about recessions and the threats to your retirement, as long as you have a strong financial planner. So talk to your planner, and if you want peace of mind, there's always Leslie McCormick and Darren Farwell and the Farwell team. So 416-863-7501. And the Outlook is yours for the asking. So again, the number for that, 416-863-7501. Thank you, Leslie. I look forward to speaking to you again soon.
Thank you, Marilyn.